Hello everybody, this is Maximus McCullough and with A1 Website Pro, and today we're going to be talking about social syndication. Now what social syndication is you make a post on your website, whether it be WordPress or whatnot, and then as soon as you make the post it goes out to all your social network platforms that you want it to be on, whether it be Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. So there used to be this Twitter feed. This was a kind of an old type of, well, it's still active and everything. You could still have your feeds syndicated from your RSS, okay? But you have to register for an account. All right, so this was kind of one way to do the social syndication. Then we had Jetpack, and they had the feature called Publicize, and then you would activate it. Now, the thing that I don't like about this, Jetpack kind of slows the website down. They have a lot of code within their thing, and they try to cover too many things, you know, related posts, protect, Python, so on and so forth. But this, the new one on the market now is this Snap, S-N-A-P. Unfortunately for you, I'm going to show you how to install it and set up the different social network platforms, because I have to do it for A1 Website Pro. Now this is kind of the back end. After you get it installed, you're going to see under Settings, Social Network Auto Poster, and this is where you come in and you start configuring your settings, okay? So, and then you can continue to add new accounts, whatever they may be, from this drop down, and then you'll configure them. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video tutorial. Okay, so first things first, we have to get the plugin and install it. So what we do is under your WordPress, under plugins, you click Add New and type in SNAP, just like that. I'm going to show you what to look for, because there's a lot of other things that you can see in here. You want the one that says NetScripts by NetScripts. You want to install this. Again, make sure it's compatible with your version of WordPress and click Install Now. Are you sure you don't want to install this? Yes, I am sure. I've tested this plugin and on a test website, and it seems to be doing the trick. Alright, so now I'm going to come down here and click a Social Networks Auto Poster, and now I can start adding accounts. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click Add New Account, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click my Facebook account. Alright, so, and here's, you just put an account name just so you can identify it. I'm going to call it FB Posts. Okay, so, and this is just a nickname in the back of your website. The next thing I'm going to do is I have to go find that Facebook profile or the Facebook page that I want to post to. So I'm just going to go to the front end of my website, a1websitepro.com, because I have a list of the social network platforms that I have right here. So I'm going to just click on this link, and that takes me directly to that URL that I could grab and put in there. Okay, so I'm going to go here, I'm going to paste it in here. Now this stuff here I am going to have to hide, because this app ID and the app secret is something that you don't want to share, because this gives this application the authority to be able to post to your Facebook page. So that's something you're not going to share, and we'll be blurring them out. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is you have to configure this. Now the great thing about this little plugin, do you see this? Detailed installation, configuration instructions. You just click on that link and it'll open a new page. Okay, and here you can create an app ID on Facebook. Okay, so you'll log into your Facebook, and if you're already logged in like I am, you'll go to this developers.facebook.com. Okay, now I already have my app, but you'll see my apps right here, and I've already created one. Now I have several different apps, and it's going to be unwise of me to open this and reveal. But what you'll do is you'll click Add New App, just like this, okay? And what you want to do is select for a website, okay? And you could choose an existing app. I'm just going to rename this to my test app, just like that, and create a new Facebook app ID, okay? Now if we were going to associate this with another app, we'd click this to yes and choose the app. But since we're just going to make a new test app, that's going to ask us to choose a category. So we'll come down here, choose the appropriate category. I'm going to click apps for pages, or you know, maybe I'll come down here and communication. Okay, and then you just click create app ID. All right, Now, if you look up here, you'll see that you'll get your app ID here, all right? And then you want to tell us about your website, site URL. Maybe we'll just put another website that I have in here. And you might have to put HTTP in front, okay, for your website, URL, mobile site URL. Click Next, and you're done. It's simple as that. So now you have a test app, okay? So all you have to do is go to My Apps, and let's see, I don't see test apps, but if you click See All Apps, because I have several different apps, you'll see all these different apps, and you'll notice that over here it says My Test App, okay, so I'm going to click on that, and here's my app ID and my app secret. Now I could click Show App Secret, and you have to enter your password in order to see it. So let me enter my password. Okay, now there's my app secret. I can see it. So it's associated. You have to have a Facebook account to do this. So then you'll go back to your thing, and you'll put your app ID and your Facebook secret. Okay, and then you can click text post attach with link, because you want your links in there so people click back to your website. Okay, and then you click update settings, and then after that, every time you make a post on your website, it will be syndicated to that particular Facebook app ID, whether you associated it with a page or your profile. Okay, so that's all that entails for Facebook. So here I entered my Facebook app ID and my Facebook secret, and I selected text post with attached link, and I'm going to click update settings. Okay, so notice it says attention required, unfinished setup. Okay, so what we'll do is click Show Settings, and if we scroll down here, you'll see Authorize Your Facebook Account. You have to click on that. Okay, now you'll have to authorize your Facebook account, and then you'll come back to this page here. And then you could always reauthorize your Facebook account again too, but you have to put your password in there so it'll authorize the Facebook. And then all you do is click Submit Test Post to Facebook, just like this, just to make sure it's working. And it'll go through the procedures, and it'll tell you okay, and that's it, you're done. Okay, so you're done with this one. You're able to go on to the next one. Okay, now as you're doing these processes, it would help if you're already logged into your browser. Like next, we'll go ahead and do LinkedIn. Okay, so we're going to click Add New Network, and we're going to come down here and go to LinkedIn. All right, so once again, I'm just going to put it in LinkedIn post as just an account nickname. Again, this is just for your WordPress. Now here we go. We're going to go to our detailed LinkedIn configuration instructions that these people have so generously provided for us, and they give us a link right here. Go to developer.linkedin.com. Okay, and so what we want to do is just click that link, and I'm going to keep the instructions open in another tab. Okay. And so you want to click your name in the top right corner and select API keys. So let's go to the top right hand corner, and under My Apps, okay, things get changed a little bit. Okay, so after you get signed in, you're going to click Add New Application, just like that. And here you'll enter your company name, and we'll enter A1 Website Pro, just like that. Okay. And if you want to make an administrator, you can. So let's go back to the instructions. Whoops. Okay. Now, go down here, you'll see that it's telling us what to fill out. We have to fill out this, 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 and this. So we'll go over here, and we'll give it an application name. I'm just post from website, just like that. Okay, and then here you can have like a description. I'm just say this is an app to make posts from my website, just like that. And then we'll have the website URL. Okay, and put that in there. And for the application use, we'll come down here and select networking. Okay. And here you can add other developers. And instead of development status, you want it to be live status. And here's where you want to enter your email. We'll enter my email, Maximus McCullough. And I'm just going to go ahead and take out my autofill here. And business contact email. This will just be the same thing as that. And then maybe enter my phone number. Just like that there. And here, if you want to know what to set these at, just go back to your instructions. As we come down here, we can see that NW groups, NW full profile, email, NUS, and company admin. So now right here is an OAuth 2.0 redirect URLs. Now this is what you have to put in here. Now if you notice, they have NetScripts, but it's this final part. And let me blow this up a little bit for you. And what I'm going to do is a little technique that I use all the time. I know, and I'll put this over here. And so the first part of my URL is a1websitepro.com, and then we want to type the last part of that, wp-admin /options, okay, hyphen general.php. Then you put that question mark in it because it's going to query, and then page equals nextscripts underscore snap all uppercase .php. And we want to make sure that we have this right, so let's make sure that we check it. Options general.php, and that's what we want to put in our thing. Now remember, if you have HTTPS, a secure, you want to use that. Okay, so we're going to go back to our app here. We're going to paste in that URL. Okay, and let's go and notice it has a cancel redirect URL. Instead of putting NetScripts there, you'll put in the name of your website. And let's go down for the cancel URL. We'll just put in, whoops, https a1websitepro.com, just like that there. And then agreement language, we want English, of course. And as we scroll down here, we have to click I have read and agreed to LinkedIn API terms, and then click add application, just like that. And it looks like I'm going to have to sign in again. Alright, so here I have all of the requirements that I need for my particular app. And of course I've highlighted it out so you can't see it because, you know, this is for my website. So I'm going to go back to my website, my LinkedIn API key. Let me go back here. Here's my API key right here. And get confused with all these little buttons up here. And then I need my API secret, right? My LinkedIn API secret. Post that there. And I'm just going to click Update Settings right here. Okay. Now, attention required. Unfinished setup. Show settings. Okay. And we're going to come down here and submit a test post. Okay. And you see where it says not configured? If you're getting an error like that, that means you need to authorize your LinkedIn account. Okay? So there we go. Allow all access. Okay? And there we go. Now we're ready to publish to LinkedIn. Okay? And it's just as simple as that. Well, you might not find it as simple. There's a lot of steps involved, but I'm trying to help you get through it here. So let's go on to the next account, which would be, let's see, shall we do Twitter? My Twitter, yes, okay. So here we go, Twitter post, okay, and I want to go get my Twitter URL, which is on my website right here. So that's my Twitter So we want to copy this, and we want to go back here, and that's where I want to post to. Okay, so now let's go to our detailed Twitter installation configuration, brought to us by NetScripts. And so here's what we want to do. I can log out a little bit because I'm zoomed in. So we want to visit this URL, and it looks like we might need to sign in again. So we'll visit this URL, and it says, since I'm already signed in, we're going to go ahead and create a new app. Okay, so here we go. Post from website, we'll just call it. And description, this is an app to make posts from my website. And then website name. Do it the lazy way. Have websitepro.com. And let's see what they say about the callback URL. Don't put anything in here. Okay, so after we get there, click Permissions tab. So let's go scroll down here. I'm sure that we have to agree to all the terms, and maybe I should read them all out for you in this tutorial. What do you think? Now we'll just agree. Okay, create Twitter application. Oh, error, client application failed. Validate post from websites already taken. Okay, well, let's go post from A1 Web Pro. How about that? See if they like that one. So let's go ahead and scroll. Looks like here. And here we go. We have all of our information that we need. And I'm going to scroll down here a little bit. And you can see as we follow the instructions, it's telling us to go ahead and in our NetScripts app, we want to be able to read and write. This is very important if we want to post to Twitter. So let's go to Settings and Key Access and Tokens. Change app permissions. Read and write. Okay, make sure that that's set. Okay, read and write. Okay, so there we go. We have that. I have that all set up and ready to rock and roll. We updated the settings. Okay, now we need to go get our API key and our API secret and then create an access token. So let's go over here and let's go ahead and create keys and secret. Oh, let's see. Create my access token. Oh, Twitter is over capacity. Please wait a moment and try again. All right, come on, Twitter. There we go. So here's our access token. And obviously this page is blanked out, but there's an access token, an access secret, and this is what we want to grab for our particular app. So we need the API and API secret, and our access tokens is that's what we'll need for this app. So we're going to come back here to our website, okay? And so the first thing we need is our Twitter API key. So I'm going to scroll up here and grab my Twitter API key, just like so. And put that in there. Yes, it's been a very long time making this tutorial for you guys, and I'm starting to go a little crazy. Alright, so we're just going to go down here, grab all this stuff. Oh, make sure you get all that in there. God, I hope I remember to blank out all these damn tokens and secrets and everything. Copy. Go back here and attach image to Twitter post. Yes, I definitely want to do that. Click Update Settings. Ooh, look at that. I got Twitter done pretty quick, and so that's what it takes to be able to post from Twitter. Okay, what shall we do next? Okay, the only other thing I added here is a Tumblr. I mean, the instructions that these people have on here are just awesome. So if you want to do these different social network platforms, just click on here and follow the instructions. So, but I hope this video gave you an idea on how to do it. Now, after you get all of this set up and you're ready to go and you got all your social network platforms, how do you use it? Well, basically what you do is you go here to add new post. Okay, so we're going to add new post. Now you're going to say, well, where's my stuff at? You know, well, one of the things is the screen options. If you click down on here, you'll see that Networks Social Scripts Post Options is checked, so it's in here somewhere. Now, one of the things that I like about WordPress is you can fold these things up, and don't forget you could schedule posts as well, but that's another tutorial. So let me go ahead and fold these up right now, and I will come down here and get all these daggone plugins. And I want to move this up over here because that's kind of like where I want it. You know, because if I want something to go to, not go to Facebook, or maybe go to LinkedIn. If I don't want them to go to certain network platforms, I'll just uncheck that post. Now, first thing I'll do is I'll fill out everything. I'll set my featured image and so on and so forth. Right here, I'll set my featured image. You want to set your featured image, okay? Because and this should be the best image in your post because it's what's going to show on top of your post, and it's also what's going to get propagated to these social network platforms. Okay, so that's pretty important that you set your featured image and then write all your content. So I'm going to go ahead and write one right now. In fact, I think I'll do it on this particular tutorial that I made for you guys, and then I'll post it on my website, and you'll see it syndicated to all the social network platforms that I connected within this. So give me a little bit here. I will go ahead and write a post, and we'll go ahead and publish it. Okie dokie, well, I have my post all made, and it's just about the social syndication. I'm getting ready to publish it. So I'm going to open my next scripts, make sure that everything is checked here. Yeah, I want to post there. Yeah, I want the image. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I want all this. Title format, Tumblr and Twitter. Okay, I'm going to post all these platforms, and let me forward that up. Publish. I'll publish right now. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Okay. Now for the moment of truth. Let's see if this particular thing published to all my social platforms. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to go to my Facebook page for A1 Website Pro. We'll check it out, and oh, voila, there it is. Has my image in there and everything. Very nice. Okay, now let me go to my Twitter. Yeah, let's see Twitter. Oh, look at that. How nice that is. Okay, well, let's see. What else could I go see? How about my LinkedIn? Did my LinkedIn publish? Okay. Let me see here. Click see more posts. These are articles that I've written on LinkedIn. There we go. So it has been posted. So new social network platform. So let me go ahead and like it while I'm here, since it was so hard to find. But that's how you'll find it at your LinkedIn. It works. So that's how you do it. So I'll get this video uploaded, and I got to put the video at the bottom of this. And I hope this post was able to help somebody out and show you how to post things whenever you're getting ready to syndicate a post. Okay, this has been a very long and exhausting tutorial. I hope this helps someone out there in cyberspace. This is Max with A1 Website Pro. Bye.